Write an essay on traveling. Oh my God, wow. Hi, welcome to Lala's World. Today's video is a tutorial on ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we'll go over what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can use it. First, let's start off with the basics. ChatGPT is a large language model created by OpenAI. It's trained on a massive data set of text, and it can generate text in response to prompts. Essentially, you can chat with ChatGPT by giving it a prompt, and it will generate a response. So, how does ChatGPT work? At a high level, it's based on a technique called transformer neural networks. Essentially, the model is made up of a series of layers that can process text in a way that allows it to understand the structure and meaning of a language. This allows it to generate responses that are relevant to the prompt you give it. Now, let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT. There are a few different ways to interact with the model. The easiest way is to use a pre-built interface like the one in OpenAI. Here, you can simply type in a prompt and ChatGPT will generate a response. To use the ChatGPT, you'll need to create an account on the OpenAI website. Once you have an account, you can send prompts to ChatGPT and receive responses. So that's a basic overview of ChatGPT. It's a powerful tool for generating text, and it has a wide range of applications in natural language processing. Whether you're a developer or just curious about the capabilities of modern AI, ChatGPT is definitely worth exploring. To use ChatGPT, there are a few approaches depending on your needs and technical expertise, but this video is geared toward beginners. Option 1, you can use the pre-built interface. One of the easiest ways to use ChatGPT is to use the pre-built interface. OpenAI provides a web-based interface where you can type in a prompt and ChatGPT will generate a response. Here's how to use it. Go to the OpenAI website at chat.openai.com. Click on the login button in the top right corner of the page and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you will see examples of how you can use ChatGPT. Toward the bottom, you'll see a bar where you could type your inquiry. For example, you could type in, "Write a story about cats." ChatGPT will generate a response in the output. You can say, "Give me 5 ideas for a blog title on cars." You can even dive deeper and say, "What is the history of cars?" and keep asking questions. If you want a new topic, look to your top left and click on a new chat. Then continue on as before with your queries. To delete a past query, click the trash can and then click the check mark to remove it from the chat history section. Other things you can create with ChatGPT are the following. Chatbots. You can use ChatGPT to create chatbots that can respond to user messages and carry out conversations. By training ChatGPT on a specific domain, such as customer service or technical support, you can create chatbots that are tailored for a specific use. Content generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate a wide range of content, including news articles, blog posts, and product descriptions. By giving a prompt that specifies the topic and the style of the content, ChatGPT can generate high-quality text that can be used for a variety of purposes. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used for language translation by training it on a parallel text in different languages. By providing a prompt in one language, ChatGPT can generate a response in another language that's equivalent in its meaning. Personalized recommendations. ChatGPT can be used to provide personalized recommendations to users based on their preferences and behaviors. By training ChatGPT on user data, such as browsing history or purchase history, you can create recommendation engines that suggest products, services, or content that are tailored to individual users. Last but not least, research and data analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze and summarize a large amount of data, making it useful for research and analysis in a variety of fields. So, as you can see, this is a very useful tool and has so many possibilities. Well, thanks for watching What is ChatGPT and How to Use It 2023 tutorial for beginners. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel. What will you use ChatGPT for?